I'm out this evening on my BSA C15 trialing, testing a couple of new items to my vlogging inventory. Many people don't realize, but you can actually change the lens on a GoPro. It's incredibly expensive to do so, but what I've done, I've changed the lens to the Lens Mod 2.0, which is a 177 degree view. As you can see now, you can see the curvature of the bike. The GoPro 12 Black is fixed to my handlebar via a RAM mount and using the medium mod conversion. And the second part of my testing this evening is that I've come to realize as I've watched other people's videos, including mine, that audio plays an equally, if not slightly more important role in a video than the actual imagery. Capturing stable, high quality 4 and 5.3K and even 8K videos very easy with the algorithms used within the GoPro software, but it's often let down by bad audio. And riding a motorcycle is an extremely hostile environment for audio, with the wind noise, with the mechanical noises and the frequencies that they generate. And you can find things like electronic ignition actually affects the quality of the sound, and it affects the quality of the chipset's ability to pick up the right audio. So this evening what I've done, I've strapped a Boya microphone to the rear shock absorber pointing down with a dead cat filter, and it's connected via a TRS male-to-male lead to the back of the media mod. I'll show you this, and as this audio track is in the background, I'll show you the images within the video. But essentially, for those people that don't realize how stereo works, there's a left side and there's a right side, and on my GoPro videos I split the channel. One channel is me talking, or perhaps the right side channel is Simon. I have two microphones, one behind my left ear picking up the spoken speaker intercom, and the other channel picking up my spoken word. And that's why on my later videos you can hear me interacting with my brother and Simon as I ride in my latest videos. But I really wanted to try to pick up on one channel the noise that actually typifies and almost makes a British bike, which is the noise emitted from a single cylinder British machine. So I'm going to put a couple of clips within this video. I'll leave me speaking on it, and the sad thing is that I have no editing ability when I'm out in the field to understand if I'm oversampling and undersampling audio on each track. But yeah, that's what I'm doing out tonight. Might be a bit weird for a lot of people, but I want to try to lift my game up with the audio that I record when I'm out on the bike. And of course, check out the Mod 2.0 on the GoPro lens and check what sort of field of view I can get on hyperview, ultra wide and wide. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, and don't forget to tick the like button, or if you're really generous, hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified about more videos that I do on my channel.